for the Family Justice and Accountability Act. I stand before you not only as an advocate, but as somebody who has lived through the generational harm these systems have caused. I am a mother to 4 beautiful, resilient children. 2 of my youngest children live safely and happily with me today in a stable, faith-centered home. They are thriving and they are deeply loved. But 2 of my older children remain separated from us. One in foster care, and the eldest still in a home that is abusive, from which the other was removed from. Their stories and mine reflect a deeper systematic problem. Over 25 years ago, I was a removed child myself. The experience permanently separated me from my siblings in Linn County, Iowa. Decades later, the exact same Department of Human Services worker who was involved in my childhood case recently testified to keep my own son separated from me and his siblings, claiming we aren't his relatives, despite the official family notice that I received confirming otherwise, and the fact that I am his biological mother. This is more than about personal pain. It is recurring state-inflicted trauma that spans across generations. My son, brave at 5 years old, reported his own abuse in the adoptive home, but that was 3 years ago, and 3 years before safety finally came. Injuries that could have been prevented if accountability existed on any form of a level. Instead, officials ignored the warnings, silenced those who spoke out, and prioritized protecting the system over protecting my child. Even after my rights were wrongfully terminated, 4 mere months later, I was trusted to bring home my medically fragile newborn because I was never unfit. That little girl is watching this right now with her father. Yet, I apologize. When I fought for family connection, the system denied my existence as her parent and as family. That contradiction is cruel and unconstitutional. If we allow the system to operate without accountability, we are saying that government agencies deserve more protection than the families they are meant to preserve. That is why the Family Justice and Accountability Act of 2025 matters. It guarantees the rights of families to remain together, protects sibling bonds, it ends immunity for officials who act unjustly, and it requires clear and convincing evidence before a child is removed from their home. No family should have to endure this separation and pain. For the safety, dignity, and healing of children and families nationwide, I ask senators and Congress, please support and vote yes on the Family Justice and Accountability Act of 2025.
Yes.
Help all of us break these vicious cycles so our kids don't have to.
Yes.